Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the resources plugin from RedmineUP. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to create a new project into Redmine and I'm going to name it Resources Testing and in brackets activating. So we create our project and make it public, but it is up to you, of course. And then we see that in this project we have a couple of tabs here, already predefined and enabled plugins. So there is one simple step that you have to do in order to activate the resources plugin. So you have to scroll down to the modules and see the resources module here. So you have to click and then save. So this is it. You see that now into the tab here we have resources. Before that it wasn't available into this tab here. So when we click we see that this is the resources board and we have several options here. So we could create a new booking. I see that we cannot add an assignee. It is because we do not have issue tracking, I guess. So we enable the issue tracking and save the changes, return back, try to create a new booking. Still I cannot add an assignee. Okay, so let's go to administration. This is a live troubleshooting now. Open the users and add, for example, this guy into our new project. Okay, so resources, he's going to be a role of support. Okay, so return back to our project and just open the resources board again, create a new booking, and see that we have now Mr. Tyler Gibson available into the assignee. So if you'd like to check the steps again, then we go to administration on the top right corner, then go to users and pick the user that you need to be able to access the resources board as assignee. For example, this guy we're going to add now, this is Mr. Andrew Foster, uh, that is with login name Steven, which is a bit awkward and strange, but this is the life. Okay, so we uh, open this guy, click on projects and add the resources. This time it could be reporter role. Okay, so we return back to our resources testing project, and when we try to create a new booking, we see that we have two options now, the two guys that we have just added, Andrew Foster and Tyler Gibson. So we pick Andrew and pick some issue. We do not have issues. This is also a bit strange, but we, of course, we can find a solution. Okay, so we have tracking now. Okay, versions. Actually, we do not need a version. Issue categories. So let's add some test issue category. Now let's go back and try to see what is happening there. So we still do not have issues. And now, actually, yeah, the reason that we do not have issues is a bit more simple than I thought. We do not have issues into our issues list into this project. Okay, so you have to just create a new issue, but just keep in mind that this new button is appearing because a couple of minutes ago we have added trackers here available into this project. So if we remove the trackers, let's return back to issues to see what will happen. So we refresh and see that we do not have new issue here. The button has gone. So this is an important note. you have to just go here into the settings, issue tracking, add set, and add at least one tracker for this project. Okay, so save the changes, return back, refresh our page, and see the new issue is now appearing. Okay, so we create a new one, and yeah, it is going to be testing issue number 1. We put status new, priority high, high priority, please hurry up, assign to me, and just create it. Okay, so let's create one more issue just for testing purposes. So it is going to be bug tracker. Uh, okay, it could be Redmine 7 bug. Some bug description here. Assignee could be this time Mr. Tyler. You see that we have also two guys here that we have just added a couple of minutes ago. Paul Smith, this is me. I'm the administrator, Paul Smith. So 3 guys, including me. And okay, so we create this new issue as well. Oh, checklist custom field. This is, yeah, maybe this is a required field. So we add test checklist item 1 and create. Okay, we have now 2 issues into our list of this project. So we go to resources again and try to create a new booking and see that we have here assignee. It is okay. Uh, Issues. We have 2 issues because we have just created them, the 2 issues. So we pick one of them. So this one is not assigned to user. This one is assigned. We pick this one. Select from and end date, and also the value here 45 total hours, and create. Oh, I just did something wrong, so sorry about that. Okay, we create it, and we see that we have just added our first booking into our board. In this way, you could create a new leaf, you could add filters, save queries, and many more things. These things are described into other articles and videos in our documentation of resources plugins, so feel free to access the documentation and check them. So we have to go to our site, that is redmineup.com. So go to resources now, and yeah, these are the documentations here, so you could check them. So this video demonstration now was about showing you how to activate the resources plugin and start using the resources board in a few simple steps. I hope it was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and articles on our site, as I said. And if you have some questions or problems or something that you want to say to our team, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers are going to answer you and yeah, just help you. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.